Imagine this scenario. What if the walls of your own embassy were secretly attacking you? From the 1950s to the 70s, US embassy staff in Moscow started getting sick with mysterious illnesses. After years of investigation, they found the cause. The Soviets were bombarding the building with a low-level beam of microwaves. It was called the Moscow signal. Was it a bizarre attempt to eavesdrop on conversations? Or was it something more sinister, an attempt to mess with their health and minds? To this day, no one knows for sure. The US eventually installed shields, but the incident remains one of the weirdest chapters of Cold War espionage.